Welcome back to Matt's Automotive Milestones. Please subscribe for more automotive history. We have a lot in store. The 1969 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 represents a remarkable chapter in American automotive history, a time when muscle cars ruled the roads and performance was king. Introduced at the dawn of the pony car era, the Camaro quickly established itself as a fierce competitor in the high-stakes world of American muscle. But it was the ZL1 variant that truly captured the imagination of enthusiasts and collectors alike. The ZL1 was born out of a need for speed and competition. Chevrolet wanted to create a version of the Camaro that would dominate on the racetrack. What set the ZL1 apart from its siblings was its extraordinary engine, a 427 cubic inch big block V8 derived from the legendary Chevrolet Corvette. This powerhouse produced a staggering 430 horsepower, making it one of the most formidable engines of its time. To accommodate this beastly engine, the ZL1 came with a host of enhancements that optimized its performance. The car boasted a lightweight aluminum block, which not only reduced overall weight, but also improved handling and acceleration. This attention to detail extended beyond just the engine. The ZL1 featured heavy-duty suspension components, premium brake systems, and an improved cooling system to ensure it could withstand the rigors of both track and street driving. While the ZL1 was all about performance, it didn't skimp on style. The 1969 Camaro was already known for its aggressive stance and sleek lines, and the ZL1 took that aesthetic to a new level with unique badging and options. The iconic split front grille and bold rear taillights gave the car a distinct look that turned heads wherever it went. Inside, the ZL1 was equipped with a driver-focused cockpit, emphasizing the thrilling experience of driving a muscle car engineered for performance. Producing only 69 units of the ZL1 Camaro made it a rare gem. This low production number contributes to its mystique and desirability among collectors today. Each model was built to order, allowing buyers to customize their cars with various options, further enhancing the exclusivity. As a result, the ZL1 has become a sought-after classic, often commanding high prices at auctions and car shows. The ZL1 also holds a special place in the hearts of those who witnessed the muscle car wars of the late 1960s. It symbolizes a time when manufacturers pushed the boundaries of technology and design in pursuit of speed and agility. The roar of the ZL1's engine, paired with its raw power, created an experience that many still reminisce about with fondness. Even today, the 1969 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 remains an enduring icon of American automotive culture. Its combination of power, performance, and rarity has solidified its status as a legend in the world of muscle cars. For enthusiasts, the ZL1 isn't just a car, it's a piece of history, a celebration of a golden era when the thrill of driving was paramount. As we look back, the ZL1 continues to inspire a new generation of car lovers, reminding us all of the passion and innovation that defined its time.